Have you ever wondered why Japan has been attracting an increasing amount of foreign direct investment since 2011? This intriguing East Asian nation has seen a consistent rise in FDI over the past decade, peaking at a record high in 2020. So what's the secret behind this positive trend? Several factors have contributed to this development, making Japan an emerging destination for investors worldwide. From its open-door policy to foreign businesses, proactive regulatory innovation to the establishment of a thriving startup ecosystem, Japan has been making all the right moves. It is also driving digital transformation and is committed to achieving net zero emissions by 2050, opening up a plethora of opportunities for investors. As we delve deeper into this fascinating journey, you'll see why Japan has become such a magnetic destination for investors. Japan is not just about tradition and culture. It's a land of immense market potential and vast innovation opportunities. This vibrant island nation is actively creating a welcoming environment for overseas investors, offering not just a gateway to the Asian market, but a springboard for global expansion. Japan's commitment to innovation is evident in its drive for open innovation in large corporations and its flourishing startup ecosystem. This is a place where pioneers in technology, healthcare, and various other sectors can thrive, backed by Japan's world-class research and development capabilities. The government is also playing its part, implementing regulatory innovations to facilitate the development of emerging technologies. The establishment of a digital agency to create opportunities in sectors such as cloud-based infrastructure, cybersecurity, and machine learning is a testament to Japan's dedication to digital transformation. Moreover, Japan's commitment to achieving net zero emissions by 2050 opens the door for companies and technologies to tackle climate change, further increasing its market potential. With such potential, it's no wonder investors are flocking to Japan. Japan is not just keeping up with the tech race, it's leading it. This leadership is evident in its approach to regulatory innovation, a realm where Japan is truly distinguishing itself. The Japanese government has been actively implementing regulatory changes, creating a fertile environment for the growth and development of emerging technologies. These changes are not random or haphazard. They are strategic and purposeful, aimed at facilitating innovation and ensuring that Japan remains at the forefront of technological advancement. This approach has seen the nation evolve into a global test bed for emerging technology, where fresh ideas are not just encouraged, they are nurtured, tested, and refined. Japan's regulatory innovations are not just confined to its borders. They are having a global impact, influencing how other nations navigate the intricate and often challenging landscape of tech regulation. This influence only solidifies Japan's position as a leader in the tech sector. With such a pioneering spirit, Japan is a promising land for tech investors. Its commitment to regulatory innovation and its status as a global test bed for emerging technologies mean that investing in Japan is not just about tapping into a thriving market. It's about being part of a nation that is shaping the future of technology. Japan is not only home to big corporations, it's also a nurturing ground for startups. Indeed, the land of the rising sun is experiencing a startup boom. New businesses are sprouting like cherry blossoms and flourishing in the fertile soil of innovation and entrepreneurship. These fledgling companies are not only disrupting traditional industries, but also creating new ones, driven by the relentless pursuit of innovation and excellence. But these startups are not working in isolation. Large Japanese corporations, traditionally known for their cautious and conservative approach, are now embracing open innovation. They are actively collaborating with startups, providing them with the necessary resources and mentorship while benefiting from their agility and innovative ideas. This symbiotic relationship between startups and large corporations is creating a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem that is propelling Japan to new heights in the global business landscape. And with the government's supportive policies and the country's world-class infrastructure, the startup scene in Japan is only poised to grow bigger and stronger. With such a thriving startup scene, Japan is indeed a land of opportunities. Japan is not just riding the digital wave, it's shaping it. The land of the rising sun is spearheading a digital transformation that is redefining the business landscape. It's a strategic shift, a metamorphosis that is spawning fertile ground for opportunities in several cutting-edge sectors. At the heart of this transformation is cloud-based infrastructure, a technology that is revolutionizing how businesses operate. Japan is harnessing the power of the cloud to deliver services that are more efficient, reliable, and scalable. This is not just a trend, it's the new normal, presenting a wealth of opportunities for investors who are ready to ride this wave. Alongside cloud technology, Japan is making significant strides in the realm of cybersecurity. As businesses become more digital, the need for robust security systems has never been greater. Japan, with its advanced technological prowess, is at the forefront of developing solutions that safeguard digital assets, creating a thriving market for cybersecurity investments. And let's not forget machine learning. This technology is the engine driving the future, and Japan is at the helm. Machine learning is permeating every sector, from healthcare to finance, and Japan's commitment to this technology is creating a buffet of business opportunities. With such a dynamic digital scene, Japan is a goldmine for savvy tech investors. Japan is not just talking about climate change, it's doing something about it. This island nation is committed to achieving net zero emissions by the year 2050. But what does this mean for investors? It means an abundance of opportunities. Japan is actively seeking green technologies and companies that can contribute to their sustainability goals. This isn't just about reducing emissions. It's about creating a healthier, more sustainable future for all. And it's not a distant dream, but a reality that Japan is working towards right now. Green technologies are being welcomed with open arms, and the drive for sustainability is fueling innovation across a range of sectors, from renewable energy to efficient transportation, from waste management to sustainable agriculture. The possibilities are vast and varied. With such a clear commitment to sustainability, Japan is a green investor's dream. Japan is not just a consumer of technology, it's a creator of it. This nation, renowned for its technological prowess, is a cradle for world-leading research and development capabilities. Its commitment to innovation is evident in the substantial investments made each year into R&D, fostering an environment that encourages the birth and growth of groundbreaking technologies. But it's not just about creating technology. Japan also has high-quality intellectual property assets, a testament to the country's innovative spirit. Intellectual property in Japan is not only respected, it's protected. This protection provides an incentive for creativity and innovation, rewarding those who bring new ideas to the table. These world-leading R&D capabilities, combined with robust IP assets, make Japan a powerhouse in the global tech industry. It's a nation that doesn't just keep up with the technological advancements of the world, it's one that sets the pace. With such strong R&D and IP assets, Japan is a prime destination for intellectual property investors. It's a place where ideas are born, nurtured, and protected, making it an ideal investment hub for those looking to be at the forefront of technological innovation. Japan is not just a good place to do business, it's a great one. The land of the rising sun offers an excellent business environment, marked by quality, efficiency, and innovation. More than just a hub for technological advancements, Japan is known for its globally competitive regulations. The country's commitment to a fair and rules-based market is evident in its transparency and administrative procedures. This commitment is not just a promise on paper, but a reality that can be seen and felt in the day-to-day operations of businesses. It's an environment that fosters growth, encourages innovation, and values fair play. Regulations in Japan are not designed to stifle creativity or hinder progress, but rather to facilitate it. They are globally competitive, ensuring that businesses operating in Japan can compete with their counterparts anywhere in the world. This competitive edge is yet another reason why investing in Japan is a smart move. Japan's commitment to fair play extends to its legal and regulatory system as well. Whether it's intellectual property or data governance, foreign businesses can rest assured that their rights will be protected. With such a top-notch business environment, Japan is truly a haven for investors. Japan is not just cutting red tape, it's digitizing it. In the digital age, Japan is taking bold and innovative steps to streamline administrative processes. Gone are the days of tedious paperwork and long waiting periods. Instead, digitalization is paving the way for efficient, transparent, and smooth operations. Imagine applying for permits or submitting reports at the click of a button. This is now a reality in Japan, thanks to a comprehensive digital transformation strategy. The country is making great strides in leveraging technology to improve administrative procedures. This is not only enhancing transparency, but also reducing cost and time. The ease of doing business has significantly improved, making Japan an attractive destination for investors. The digitalization of administrative procedures is a testament to Japan's commitment to creating a business-friendly environment. With such efficient processes, doing business in Japan is a breeze. Japan is not just open for business, it's open for fair business. With a commitment to free, fair, and rules-based markets, Japan has established a strong framework of international investment treaties and free trade agreements. These agreements are not just pieces of paper, they are the foundation that makes global access and investment a seamless, predictable process. Whether you're a multinational corporation or a startup looking to expand your horizons, these agreements ensure that your business has the same opportunities as domestic companies. They level the playing field by eliminating trade barriers and providing a clear set of rules for everyone to follow. This commitment to fair trade and investment doesn't stop at the borders of Japan. It extends to its partners around the world, creating a network of opportunities that span continents. It's a testament to Japan's role as a global player, fostering relationships built on mutual respect and shared benefits. With such fair trade and investment opportunities, Japan is truly a global player. Japan is not just about profits, it's about responsible profits. Corporate governance in Japan has undergone significant reforms, ensuring effective disclosure and transparency. These reforms have been designed to promote sustainable growth and increase corporate value. By incorporating principles such as shareholder rights, equitable treatment, role of stakeholders, disclosure and transparency, and board responsibilities, Japan has created a corporate governance code that aligns with international standards. These reforms are not just about ticking boxes, they are about creating a culture of corporate responsibility and accountability. They ensure that companies are managed in a manner that is transparent, accountable, and sustainable. Companies are required to disclose their corporate governance practices in their annual reports, providing a clear view of their operations to stakeholders. This transparency builds trust, allowing investors to make informed decisions. Japan's commitment to transparency and disclosure goes beyond mere compliance. It is about ensuring that companies are held accountable for their actions, that they are managed in the best interests of their stakeholders, and that they contribute to the sustainable development of society. With such robust corporate governance, investors can trust that their investments are safe in Japan. Japan is not just a place to do business, it's a place to live. This is a country where the business environment is as attractive as the high standard of living. Imagine a place where the efficiency of the corporate world is mirrored in the everyday life of its citizens. Japan is that place. Striking a balance between work and life is a cultural norm here, and it's reflected in the high-quality lifestyle. The country's robust public transport systems, world-renowned healthcare, and exceptional educational institutions all contribute to a standard of living that is second to none. The business environment is equally enticing. From the country's commitment to transparency and fair trading to its drive for digital transformation, Japan is a place where businesses can thrive. The government's pro-global business stance, coupled with lower corporate taxes and simplified visa procedures, makes the country an attractive destination for foreign professionals. And let's not forget about Japan's innovative spirit. The country is a world leader in research and development, boasting high-quality intellectual property assets and a thriving startup ecosystem. It's a place where creativity and technology come together to offer unparalleled business opportunities. With such a high standard of living, Japan is not just a place to invest, but a place to call home. Japan is not just about rules, it's about fair rules. Here, we delve into the heart of Japan's legal system, one that's globally harmonized and built on trust. This system, rooted in fairness, is a beacon of assurance for investors around the globe. It's not just about putting laws on paper, but about enforcing those laws justly and consistently. The beauty of Japan's legal system lies in its transparency. It's a system that openly communicates to investors, businesses, and the public alike, ensuring everyone is on the same page. And it's not just about domestic laws. Japan's legal system aligns beautifully with international standards, making it easier for foreign businesses to navigate. Furthermore, Japan's legal system is particularly protective of intellectual property and data governance, providing an extra shield for businesses operating in these areas. This protection is crucial in today's digital age, where data and intellectual property are valuable assets. And then there's trust, the cornerstone of any successful legal system. Japan's legal system has earned the trust of businesses and investors worldwide, thanks to its consistent enforcement and fair practices. With such a trustworthy legal system, investors can rest assured that their investments are protected in Japan. Japan is not just welcoming foreign businesses, it's supporting them. This support comes in the form of Japan's Inward Investment Promotion Agency, JETRO. This agency is known for its global reach and expert support at every stage of foreign business development. From initial planning to final implementation, JETRO is there to ensure a smooth transition into the Japanese market. It's not just about the paperwork. JETRO provides guidance on navigating Japan's business culture, industry trends, and regulatory environment. They also connect foreign businesses with local partners and resources, fostering relationships that can lead to long-term success. Whether you're a startup looking to break into the Japanese market or an established corporation looking to expand your global footprint, JETRO can provide the support you need. In essence, JETRO is like a compass, guiding foreign businesses through every step of their journey in Japan. With such comprehensive support, foreign businesses can thrive in Japan. So, why invest in Japan? As we've explored, Japan presents a dynamic environment for foreign direct investment. It's not just the growing market potential and innovation opportunities that make it attractive, but also its regulatory innovation that serves as a global testbed for emerging technologies. The country is nurturing startup ecosystems throughout its regions, and the digital transformation is driving exciting business opportunities. Japan's commitment to achieving net zero emissions by 2050 makes it a hub for green innovation. With world-leading research and development capabilities and intellectual property assets, investors have the chance to collaborate with top-tier talent. The business environment is of high quality, marked by globally competitive regulations, streamlined administrative procedures, and fair and open trade and investment opportunities. Corporate governance reforms ensure effective disclosure and transparency. The high standard of living and globally harmonized legal system further add to the country's attractiveness. And let's not forget the global and expert support provided by Japan's Inward Investment Promotion Agency, JETRO, at every stage. Japan, with its immense potential, innovative drive, and supportive environment, is indeed a compelling destination for any investor.